Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Have you noticed that your relationship has changed since you turned 60? Are you experiencing a new phase in your marriage and wondering how to strengthen your bond with your spouse? Do you feel like the spark has faded and you're not sure how to bring it back? You're not alone. Many couples go through ups and downs throughout their lives, and reaching this stage of life comes with its own set of challenges and adjustments. But don't worry, there is always hope for reigniting that passion and creating a fulfilling relationship as you enter your golden years. From open communication to prioritizing intimacy, we'll explore a variety of tips and strategies to help you and your spouse navigate this new chapter in your relationship. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how to improve your intimacy with your spouse after 60. Change and transformation. Reaching the age of 60 is a significant milestone in life, and with it comes changes that affect every aspect of our lives, including our relationships. As we enter this new stage, it is important to recognize that both we and our relationships go through transformations that require attention and care. It's normal to feel uncertainty or even fear about what lies ahead, especially when it comes to intimacy. But instead of seeing these changes as obstacles, we can choose to embrace them and use them as opportunities for growth and deeper connection with our partners. It's important to remember that intimacy doesn't necessarily need to be passionate or highly sexual. It can manifest itself in various forms, such as emotional connection, companionship, and affection. By focusing on nurturing these aspects of our relationships, we can build a strong foundation for a fulfilling partnership in this new phase of life. Embracing change and seeking continuous improvement is essential for maintaining a healthy and satisfying relationship as we age. Communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any thriving relationship. And when it comes to improving intimacy with your spouse after 60, it's crucial to prioritize open, honest, and empathetic conversations with your partner. This means actively listening to each other's thoughts and feelings, expressing your own needs and desires, and working together to find solutions that benefit both of you. Don't shy away from addressing sensitive topics or past conflicts that may be affecting your current intimacy. By fostering an environment of trust and mutual respect, you can create a safe space where both you and your spouse feel comfortable sharing your thoughts and emotions. Remember, communication is a two-way street, and investing in your communication skills as a couple will undoubtedly pay off in strengthening your bond and improving your overall relationship. The importance of touch. Touch is an incredibly powerful way to express affection and create intimacy with your spouse. However, many couples, especially after 60, tend to neglect the importance of physical contact in their relationships. It's common for affection to decrease over time, leading to emotional disconnection and a decline in sexual satisfaction. But by making an effort to incorporate touch into your daily interactions, you can reignite the spark between you and your partner. Holding hands, hugging, and even cuddling can help create a sense of closeness and connection that goes beyond physical gratification. Touch releases oxytocin, a hormone that promotes bonding and reduces stress, which can lead to improved sleep and overall well-being for both of you. So do you underestimate the power of touch in improving intimacy with your spouse? After 60, prioritize physical affection and watch your relationship flourish as a result. Slow down and enjoy the moment. It's true that as we age, our bodies change and may not function exactly as they used to in our youth. However, that doesn't mean that we can't still experience pleasure and intimacy with our spouses. In fact, with maturity comes a different kind of sensuality, one that is more focused on emotional connection and mutual satisfaction rather than physical performance. By slowing down and savoring each moment with your partner, you can rediscover the joy and pleasure that intimacy has to offer. This means taking the time to fully experience every sensation and emotion, both physical and emotional, without rushing to reach a climax. It also involves being patient with your partner, understanding that they may need more time to warm up or reach a state of arousal. Remember, intimacy is not just about the destination. It's about the journey you share together. So slow down, relax, and enjoy the ride. Open up and share your feelings. One of the biggest challenges many couples face after 60 is the fear of being vulnerable and opening up to their partners. Some may feel hesitant to discuss their emotions or desires, worried that it might cause conflict or tension in the relationship. However, by learning to communicate your feelings honestly and openly, you can create a deeper level of intimacy and connection with your spouse. This means acknowledging your emotions, both positive and negative, and sharing them in a respectful and considerate way. By doing so, you'll not only improve your own emotional well-being, but also foster a sense of trust and understanding with your partner. Ultimately, by embracing vulnerability and openness in your relationship, you'll create a stronger bond and more fulfilling, intimate connection with your spouse. Prioritize intimacy and quality time together. In the later stages of life, it is common for couples to face a decline in their intimate relationship due to various factors such as health issues, retirement, or the death of loved ones. However, by making a conscious effort to prioritize intimacy and quality time together, couples can maintain a strong and loving bond despite the challenges they may encounter. This means setting aside dedicated time for each other, whether it's for a romantic dinner, a cozy night in, or a simple walk in the park. During this time, it's essential to disconnect from distractions such as phones and other devices and focus on nurturing your connection with your partner. By prioritizing intimacy and creating meaningful experiences together, couples can keep their love alive and thrive in their golden years. Break the routine and try something new. Breaking their routine and trying something new can be a great way to improve intimacy with your spouse, especially after 60. As couples age, they may fall into a rut of doing the same things day in and day out, which can lead to boredom and a lack of excitement in the relationship. However, by shaking things up and trying something new, couples can reignite the spark and create lasting memories together. This could involve taking a trip to a new destination, trying a new hobby, or simply changing up their daily routine. Trying something new can help couples break out of their comfort zones, challenge their perspectives, and create a sense of adventure in their relationship. It can also help them discover new passions and interests they may not have had the opportunity to explore earlier in their lives. Self-esteem and self-love are crucial components of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. When you have a positive self-image and high self-worth, you're more likely to feel confident and secure in your relationship. On the other hand, low self-esteem can lead to feelings of insecurity, self-doubt, and emotional unavailability, which can negatively impact your ability to connect with your partner. Cultivating self-love and acceptance can help you appreciate your own worth and value the love and affection your partner has to offer. By prioritizing self-care, challenging negative thoughts, and focusing on your positive qualities, you can develop a healthier self-image and strengthen your bond with your spouse. Remember, a happy and fulfilling relationship begins with you. Look after your physical health. Taking care of your physical health is essential for maintaining a vibrant and intimate relationship with your spouse, especially after 60. As we age, it's common to experience changes in our bodies such as decreased energy levels, slower metabolism, and hormonal imbalances, which can affect our overall well-being and sexual health. However, by making an effort to prioritize your physical health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and regular checkups, you can improve your physical and emotional well-being, enhance your sexual stamina, and boost your confidence in intimate situations. Remember, a healthy body and mind are essential for a happy and fulfilling relationship. Seek professional help when necessary. Seeking professional help is a sign of strength and commitment to your relationship, not a weakness. Therapists can provide a safe and non-judgmental space for you and your partner to explore your issues and work through any challenges you may be facing. They can also offer guidance and support as you seek to improve your intimacy and connection with your spouse. Additionally, couples therapy can help you develop effective communication skills, improve conflict resolution strategies, and foster a deeper level of understanding and empathy between you and your partner. Remember, seeking professional help is a proactive and positive step towards creating a healthier and more fulfilling relationship. Keep flirting. Flirting is an essential part of keeping the romance alive in your relationship. As you enter your golden years, it's important to continue nurturing the playful and affectionate dynamic between you and your spouse. Keep surprising each other with romantic gestures, compliments, and expressions of love and affection. Plan special date nights. Send flirty texts or simply make an effort to dress up for each other. By keeping the romance alive, you'll be able to maintain a strong sense of connection and passion with your partner. So don't forget to keep flirting. It's a powerful way to keep the spark alive in your relationship. With maturity comes the gift of time, and with it, the chance to rekindle the flame of love. Now is the time to rediscover the joys of romance, prioritizing your relationship and nurturing intimacy with your spouse. Remember, love is a continuous choice. And by following these tips, you can strengthen your bond and create a future filled with love, passion, and companionship. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and comment below. We appreciate your support and hope you continue to tune in for more informative content. Thank you for watching.